It is now Wednesday, November 20th, 2024, and I thought I was going to get a firewood delivery today for the bullseye, but the guy was just here, and he's got an issue with his truck, and he's going to deliver another cord tomorrow back to where the other cord in the prior video was, which is where the Jeep is now, and there's the remnants of it, and it's all stocked. So he gives me logs, which I ask for, and firewood. And I'm getting ready for the bucking. And there's my chaps and my helmet, gloves. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But we stack those logs there, and the next load I'll put the logs there too. And we got 2 rows. And I loaded up the inside, not the basement. So he'll be delivering another one. And of course I moved the John Deere. Oh yes, I'll be right here. So we got that back here. And I've been working on this morning. So this wood is for the sides and to build actually the firewood shed. The wood under the blue tarp is for the solar panels. But I started this. I used the Sawzall to cut some of the smaller trees. I still got to cut these here and these here. Probably not all of them, but at least 3 of them or so. And so this is that. It's pretty level. Still got to finish it. And I'll have these 4x4s going across, and then I'll put the those long deck boards going this way across. So back's level, sides level. I still got to do this corner over here a little better, and then I'll put that together. I was going to take this out. I tried even putting a blade on the Sawzall, a metal one, and that ain't happening. Plus, it's full of concrete. So, I decided to just make that. It's got a really nice cement base as one corner. And then I kind of built off of that. And so, that's the ticket. Here's some of the trees I tucked in. Oh, and I was going to say, where's Jake? But he's laying down right there. What a good boy. You got something in that mouth, Mr. Jake. Come on. Yep, he does. A rock. All right, come over here. Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Oh, Mr. Jakey. All right. In any event, that was just a short one. I'll when the second load comes tomorrow, and we'll take it from there. So it's a beautiful day here today again. Really is nice. So with that said, be safe and God bless. Until next time.